Hi, hi everyone. Welcome back with the last Sudoku of today in today's newspaper of Thursday, May the 7th, 2020. In this additional newspaper, we have the last tectonic puzzle. So let's get started. And the question is, find the first single box. I see here a single box, definitely a 1. Why do we have a dual box? Yes, these two. So only the 1 and the 2 goes in those boxes. Here I cannot fill with the 1 because we have a 1 here. So this should be the 1 and this should be the 2. Do we have dual boxes more? Yes, these two boxes, 1 and the 2. Then triple boxes, yes. See here, triple box. So the 1 cannot be here. The 1 should be here or there. How about this area? These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be in one of those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 4, so these 2 boxes could be a 4. This box cannot be a 1, so these 2 boxes could be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, but also this box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so this box should be a 2. This box cannot be a 4, so this box should be the 4. This should be the 3. This box cannot be a 3, so these 2 boxes could be a 3. Here and there. This box cannot be a 3, so these 2 boxes as a pair with the 3 and a 4. Yes, that means 1 box left should be the 2. This box cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. 1, 2, 3. So the 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. That means 1 box left for the 5 should be this one. That means that means this box cannot be anymore a 5. This should be the 4. This should be the 5. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes here or there. These 4 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, so 1 and a 3 goes here. That means 1 box left for the 4. This box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. if I place the 1 here, that means I cannot fill anymore a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 must be here. Yes. Same with the number 3. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. This should be the 5. That means this box cannot be a 3. This box should be the 3, and this box should be the 1. This box cannot be a 2. So these 2 boxes could be a 2. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 must be here or there. It's a 4. That means that this box, if I place the 4 here, those 2 boxes cannot be in, cannot fill with the 4. So this box cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. So the 1 and the 2 are left here. 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Alright. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. But also this box cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. That means these 4 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. We have here a 2. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. We have a 1 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, but also for this one, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Same with the 2. The 2, these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So we have a pair, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Also, this box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. We have a 5 here. So there cannot be a 5 in this box. Same with this box with the 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be this one. 3 and the 4 are left. I cannot place the 4 here. Otherwise, if I place the 4 here, I cannot fill anymore a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. We have a 4 and a 5 here. That means 1, 2. This should be a 3, 4 and 5. Yes. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 5. We have here a triple box. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So here we have the 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 2 here. That means this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. This should be the 1. We have here a triple box. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. The 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 should be here or there. In this area we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 should be here. We have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, so this should be the 1. This should be the 4. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 4. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, so this should be the 2. This should be the 1. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. We have the 1 and the 5 left. We have a 1 here, so this should be the 5, and this should be the 1. And now, the 3. We have a 4 here, so this should be a 3, and this should be a 4. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. It should be a pair here with the 1. The other 2 numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This cannot be a 3, so this should be the 3. And this should be the 5. How about here? 1 and a 3, 1 and a 4. This cannot be a 3. So these 2 boxes could be a 3. This box cannot be a 5, so these 2 as a pair, 3 and a 5. This should be a 4. Alright. And now, if I place the 5 here, then I cannot fill any of those 2 boxes with a 5. So this should be a 3. This should be a 5. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. This should be the 1. We have here the 4 and the 5. The 1 and the 4. Why can I fill this anymore? 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5. 2, 3, 4, the 5. If I place a 4 here, then I cannot fill anymore a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 1, this should be a 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be a 4, and this should be a 5. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright. For a Tectonic Suguru, well, I'm pleased. Yes. Some tectonic puzzles it took me more than 30 minutes or longer. So I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that subscribe bell icon if you want to be notified by YouTube when I have uploaded new ones. Anyway, thank you again for watching this episode, and I will see you the next time. So keep on puzzling, people. Bye bye.